Are you getting suspicious emails from Geek Squad? Then you are at the right place, as here is a complete guide on Geek Squad scam. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. Phishing is a cyber attack using which scammers steal users' sensitive data. This is done by sending spam emails, messages, etc. If you have received any suspicious email from Geek Squad, here is what to do. Let's get started and see what is Geek Squad scam and how to protect yourself from it. What is Geek Squad scam? Geek Squad email scam is a phishing attempt where the scammers impersonate support and service providers from Geek Squad. In these scams, users get fraud emails that appear to be from Geek Squad. These contain alarming messages about security issues, software problems, or the need for immediate action and a link to fix the issue. The messages are like, your subscription with Geek Squad will renew today and $349.99 is about to be debited from your account by today. The debited amount will be reflected within the next 24 hours. In case of any further clarifications or block the auto renewal service, please reach out Customer Help Center. Description, quantity, unit price, total Geek Squad, Best Buy service. If you didn't authorize this charge, you have 24 hours to cancel and get an instant refund of your annual subscription. Please contact our customer care. If you click on the links given in the mail, then can open malicious websites and install malware on the recipient's device. It can then steal the user's sensitive information such as login credentials, personal details, or financial information. Now here is how you can protect yourself from such scam. Method 1. Verify authenticity. Check the sender's email address. Phishers and scammers often try to mimic real email addresses. If you find the mail suspicious, don't click on the links or open any attachments. You should always take some precautions before you click on any link. The official link to their website is geeksquad.com or bestbuy.com/site/services/geek-squad/pcmcat1381 000500018.c. Method 2. Look for red flags. Phishing emails and messages generally contain some spelling mistakes. Ask for sensitive information, use urgent or threatening language, or redirect the user to suspicious websites. Emails that contain any of these can steal your sensitive data. In case you are in doubt, you can use the free service of any of these URL scanners to check the genuinity of any website. WOT add-on, MCSoft Browser Security, McAfee Site Advisor, Bitdefender Traffic Light, Trend Protect, Norton Safe Web Lite, PC Tools Browser Defender, Dr. Web Link Checker, AVG Secure Search Link Scanner, Web Security Guard, Kaspersky Virus Desk. Method 3. Never share sensitive information. If you doubt any email or website, prefer not to enter sensitive information like credit or debit card details as it can be a phishing attempt. If you need to enter card details, you can use a credit card number generator websites like Test Sigma, Credit Card Generator, Get Credit Card Info, Best Credit Card Generator, Elf Quirin, Random Lists, NeaPay, VCC Generator, Small SEO Tools, Dupli Checker, Lambda Test, DNS Checker, Quibi, C Card Generator, cardgenerator.io, bin codes. Method 4. Add spam filters to your email. Make sure to enable spam filters on your email as they automatically filter potentially malicious messages. Keep checking your spam folder to ensure any important emails aren't being marked as scam. Method 5. Keep your software and antivirus updated. Always keep your device's antivirus and OS updated with the latest security patches. This is because scammers can exploit vulnerabilities and launch phishing attacks. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.